I'm Maurizio Sanguinetti, I'm clinical microbiologist, I'm also full professor of medical microbiology and a director of the Department of Laboratory Science and Hematology of Policlinico Gemelli. Policlinico Gemelli is a very complex hospital in which we have several patients at risk of infection. So for this reason, the diagnostic is very important in my hospital. Become a center of excellence for us was a very good adventure because, of course, we are facing with very different colleagues with very different experiences around the world, not only Europe but also outside Europe. And this is very important because we can focus on the most important approach for clinical microbiology in general, and also to try to share our experiences from any angles. So also our experience to the other, and we can also obtain the experience from the other centers. The other point is the educational part, which was very, very good because we organized several educational events dedicated to a master, for instance, a second level master in clinical microbiology. And of course, we organized also specific events to try to work with the clinicians to explain which is the lab, which are the activities we perform in the lab. So it's not only to start to push a button and obtain our results, but there is a very complex procedure to obtain good results. And we embedded for a few hours the clinician in the lab, and this was very, very nice. So a different experience from different angles, but it was very nice.